Hello, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and in today's video I wanted to talk to you about some of your first jobs in the automotive industry, so stay tuned for that. So I wanted to start out by saying not everybody gets their dream job right from the get-go, especially right out of school, or you just decide that, hey, I want to be an automotive technician or mechanic, and it's just not going to happen. So what you got to do is find a way to get in the automotive industry. Finding a job is not always the easiest thing. So I see a lot of people talk crap about chain stores and they refuse to work at these type of places, but in reality that is some of the best ways to get experience and get your foot in the door. So if you're working at a Jiffy Lube or a Pet Boys or any of these type of chain stores, you know, it can be easier to get your foot in the door in those type of places. And my advice for you is when you do get in the door with those type of places, it's just soak up as much knowledge as you possibly can. Learn how to work in the automotive industry, how it really is. And if it really sucks and you don't like it there, it may help you decide, I don't want to do this career, or it may help you decide, yes, this career is right for me. So when you're in those lower level jobs, you know, the key is just put all effort into learning as much as you possibly can, as fast as you can, and doing a good job. So don't be afraid to take those lower level jobs and get your feet wet. So I refer to them as stepping stone jobs. And those have some benefits in the fact that, one, you have a job, you're in the industry, you're working. Two, you may be having benefits such as health insurance, 401ks, that type of things. A lot of those jobs offer that stuff. So those are all great things to start out with. The next step is you need on-the-job experience to be qualified for certifications. And that's all counts for on the job. So after gaining a couple months, a year or so of experience at a lower level job, now you're ready to move up to the next job and apply for the next job. And that's going to look really good on your resume that you've got working experience in the automotive industry. So that's really key. So I encourage you guys not to be afraid to take those lower level jobs or those jobs that necessarily may not be to your liking. You know, just get in there, do the best you can, and when the time is right, apply for that dream job or the next level up, and just keep leveling yourself up until you get to the dream job. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.